Hey guys, in this video I'm going to explain to you how you can turn off subtitles on Fios TV. Really easy and simple, guys. So there's two ways to do this. You can use the button, which is a blue button on your remote, or you can go ahead through the menu. So this is how you do it. So you can go to menu, of course, and then click on settings, go to system, go to languages, and then you want to click on IMG language and then click on service selection, and we select one of the closed caption options and then press OK. So CC1 refers to primary language, which the show is basically broadcasting. Usually it's English, and CC2 is usually a secondary language. Usually, if it's available, it's usually Spanish. And then if you go to CC3 to CC6, you'll see additional languages. You just need to press the right arrow to highlight, click save, press OK, and then press OK again to confirm. Or of course, you can press on one of these buttons on your TV. You'll find this towards the bottom of your Fios remote. It's really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide was of value to you. If it was, guys, consider smashing the like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.